Hey y'all, Chrishinda here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do Senegalese twist on yourself. These twists are also known as rope twist or island twist. I'll have a playlist linked with other video tutorials like this for you to check out. Let's get started. For both hands, you're going to be using your thumb, index, and middle. First, what you want to do is split the hair into 2 even strands. After you split the hair into 2 even strands, you're going to have 1 strand in your left hand, 1 strand in your right hand. You're going to start by holding both strands with your thumb, index, and middle. When you're twisting, you're going to go left, over the right, right, under to the left. So our first motion is the strand that's in our left hand between our thumb, index, and middle is going to go over to our right middle finger hook. Now both strands are in my right hand, 1 strand between my thumb and index, and then the other strand is in my right middle hook. What I'm going to do now is pass the strand that's between my right thumb and index under to my left thumb, index, and middle. Then you're going to put your right thumb and index onto the strand and get ready to roll the hair for the Senegalese twist. As you're rolling the hair, you want to keep it in the circled area. So what we're going to do now is roll both strands between our fingers with our thumb, index, and middle on both hands. We're going to be rolling both strands towards our face. So the right hand is going this way, the left hand is getting twisted upward like that. So we're rolling both strands towards our face. Left strand over to your right middle hook. The strand that's between our right thumb and index is getting passed under to our left thumb, index, and middle. Adjust the grip on your right hand by putting your right thumb and index onto the strand. Roll it towards our face. Left, after you roll, left over to your right middle hook. Pass the strand that's between our right thumb and index over to our left thumb, index, and middle. Adjust the grip on your right hand and put your right thumb and index onto the strand. Roll left over to the right, pass, adjust the grip, roll, left, over to the right, pass, adjust the grip, roll, left, over to the right, pass, adjust the grip, roll, left, over to the right middle hook, pass this strand that's between our right thumb and index. Adjust the grip with your right hand. Roll left over to your right middle hook. Pass the strand that's between our right thumb and index. Adjust the grip with your right hand. Roll. And then you just continue to do that same thing all the way down. When you get to the ends, it won't really be enough hair for you to do a full middle finger hook when you pass the left strand over to your right. So what you're going to do is roll the hair, pass it, and instead of doing a full middle finger hook, you're going to clamp the hair between your right index and middle, and then just keep twisting. You'll know that you did the twist right if when you let it go, it doesn't completely unravel. Now when I let it go, the very ends might loosen up, but the rest of the twist will stay nice and smooth. And that's how you do a rope or Senegalese twist on your own hair. I hope you found this tutorial to be super helpful. I would love it if you would share, repost, like, and especially comment on this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and until my next video, bye.